How to use Tricount app step-by-step beginner tutorial. Now, Tricount is a simple app and web app as well for splitting group expenses, trips, roommates, dinners, and it automatically calculates who owes whom and suggests the easiest way to settle. So, uh, of course, to use Tricount, you're gonna have to download and install it. Of course, you can do this in the App Store, Google Play, but once you have it, you're gonna have to continue. It's gonna show you a little welcome. Just go ahead and press and continue as well. You don't have to make an account yet, but once you're inside the dashboard, you should be able to get all the features already. You can add a try count or basically some sort of your first list on whatever you're going to balance or keep in notes. You can also join an existing try count if someone already has one, and you can also import from Splitwise. So you can move your Splitwise group to try count as well. There's requests over here, so easily request money right to your bank account. So if you're doing splits and whatnot, it's easier to do this over here. Free cards, so automatically add expenses to your try count. Now this is a beta, so there should be a bit of flaws in it, but here you can get a free credit card from BUNQ, so top it up and use it with Google Play. Payments are automatically added to your try counts as well. So if you want to do that, it will take 5 minutes. But anyways, over here is your profile. Basically, if you want to share as well, you're going to have to make a profile here. You can sign in with Google, Facebook, or email. So it's very quick. All you have to do is choose whatever option you have, and you should be immediately signed up to Tricount over here. But anyways, all you have to do now is add expenses, enter the amount description, and choose how to split the expense over here on your new Tricount. You can put in a title, options for whichever currency, and participants as well, like you. You can add participant if you want, and once you're done with all of that, just go ahead and press on create the Tricount. But you should definitely explore Tricount itself so that you can get used to the app and have easier access to pretty much everything. There's lots of editings, deletings, or archiving in this app. But again, you can definitely learn more about Tricount itself directly in the app or in their officials. But hopefully the information of this video can help you, and if it can, please like and subscribe for more videos like this, and that's all.